Okay, this is the Tacklife Belt sander. I just got this recently and I'm going to give it a good test, see what happens. You got a nice little speed control here from 1 all the way to 6, and it also has mounting pins so I can mount this upside down if I need to for, you know, a little table sander. Alright, so let's check this out and see how noisy and whatnot too. Here's number 1. Not too bad on noise. Alright, we also have the dust collection, which I put on here because I don't feel like hooking up my thing to it right now. Alright, so let's cut out for now, and I'm going to mount this upside down and we'll do the table test. Okay, now for the table test. Let's check this out here. We have the trigger and a button here that locks it into run mode. So let's... oh, I probably should have adjusted the speed, but alright, well, this is apparently going to be running on 6. Okay, so here we go. Or not. Not too shabby. So, for just me doing a quick rough instead of actually, you know, making plans here, not too bad. It rounded the edge pretty decently for the grit that it came with, which I'm not sure which grit this is. But it did sand down. As you can see, this was a stained kind of color to it. And it made it back to its natural wood a little bit. So, does what I needed to do for now, and eventually I'll put this through the full test of actually running this for my tabletops and staircases. So, we'll see what happens. Alrighty guys, enjoy.